Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix this app has been blocked for your protection, and administrator has blocked you from running this app. For more information, contact the administrator. Error in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, first of all you can go to your search box and type up regedit and open a registry editor, and you can open run as administrator. Okay guys, after opening that, first of all you can expand the H key local machine. After doing this step, you can go to your softwares and expand it. And after doing this step, you can go to your Microsoft and expand it. After doing this step, scroll down and find out of Windows. Now here is a Windows. Now expand it. After doing this step, you can find out a current version. Now you can, here is a current version and you can expand it. After doing this step, you can scroll down and find out policies. Okay guys. Now here is a policies. Now expand it, and after doing this step, you can click on a system. Now after doing this step, you can right click and open a enable LUA. Now double click on it and open a new dialog box. Now you can see data automatically value data is 1. Now you can remove it and set value data is 0. Now after doing this step, OK button. Now you can see data its notification appear. You must restart your computer to turn off your account control. Now click on it and restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, I'm sure that your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.